Today, I have a blog for you about some tips to keep things in the freezer. Now, whether it's that you're trying to save money or you're trying to eat healthier and have foods on hand, or just trying to get a little bit more organized with your healthy habits and your cooking, using your freezer can be really helpful. Now, a lot of people think that it's not as healthy to eat frozen food, but if we freeze things while they're still fresh, then we're still getting a lot of nutrients out of it. So, fresh first, but frozen is still a really great opportunity, and it's a great opportunity for us to batch cook or, shop when things are a little bit less expensive or maybe when they're in season. There's all kinds of ideas. So today on the blog, I'm going to be sharing with you some items to just always keep in the freezer. Keep things on hand to save money, save time, and save energy. So head on into the blog. And if you have specific things you always keep in the freezer, share with us. I'd love to hear. I actually just recently bought an additional storage freezer. And so I'm excited to really get even better at this. I'd love to hear from you. Now head on into the blog, leave comments over there. I cannot wait to hear from you. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, my name is Gayleen Gomez. I'm the owner of Compass Rose Nutrition and Wellness, and I help busy women really focus on their healthy habits, losing weight, boosting their energy, ditching sugar, all of those things to create a healthier lifestyle so they can enjoy more time with their family, their friends, and just enjoy life. So head on into the blog, leave some comments, let me know what you think, and I'll see you over there.